Yo, 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 good morning. How's it going, everybody? What up, what up? Hang on, let me get the, getting everything set up now, but how's everybody's morning going, dude? We caught a win this morning. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Bing bong. Good morning, good morning. What's up, Titus? What up, Red 42 Quick? What's up, everybody? What up, Miss K? Let me get this finished setting up over here. Hang on. Let me turn some music on. What up, Marley? What up, Greg? VG Boar. What up, Titus? Let me see. What are you thinking on the NQ on the bigger time frame? I think we go higher. It looks like higher to me. Let me see. It looks higher on the bigger time frame. And I'll show you why in just a second. Alrighty. Got the music. Now we're ready to roll. All right, dudes. So on the higher time frame here on the 1 hour, look at this. Look at this, look at this. We got this 1 hour inversion fair value gap. Right here. 1 hour inversion fair value gap. And it's respecting it pretty well. It looks like it's ready, it's cupping up here, ready to go up to at least this 721.50 area where these highs are right here. So I think that's where we're headed. So let's see if it happens. What up, Randall? What up, Randall? Dude, we got the fart sound in and ready to roll. Whenever somebody subscribes, it's ready. Yo, guys, hit the like button today for a giveaway. If you hit the like button, We'll do some giveaways. Yo, what up, Stefan? Dude, I put the wrong thing on here. All right, dude. All right, let me see. Let me turn the indicator on. What up, Phil? Yeah, Brandon. I think we're going up. Wait on a pullback or something. Alrighty, there it is. Dude, let's see if the indicator's gonna call something out here. What up, Brooke Klinger? Omari says Bitcoin. We don't look at the Bitcoin here. Phil said we trying to get in a long. Yeah, man, I think so. I'm looking for a long. I'm looking for a long. Let's see if we get it. Indicator called out a long down here. Dang, it was rated an A too. Just kind of chopping for the moment right now. Dude, who's been making some money? Who's been making some money? Let me hear it. Who been making some money? You did all right yesterday, 650 green. London session, it was pretty good this morning. We called a win right here. Swept the Asian low. And then we entered on this inversion right here. I just locked it in for a 1-to-1 10-point base hit. But yeah, pretty good. locking in those base hits in this choppy action lately. Said I just woke up. Give me some minute to make some money. We're inside of a 15-minute fair value gap, it looks like. Yeah. Says we're inside of a 15-minute fair value gap right now. She's climbing, boys. Got hourly equal highs it might be going for at 721.50, because that's where I think it's going. What up, Trader 007? The end of the year consolidation. Yeah, dude, the price action has been crappy. It's been crappy. Dude, we're not getting any subscribers. I ain't heard the fart sound go off. I ain't heard the fart sound. What do you guys think, long or short? I haven't, Stefan. Long or short? Let me know from here. $830 U.S. initial jobless claims. Let's go. Hour and 15 minutes. DeLonda and Kreider said long. Yeah, we got to get those likes up if you want a giveaway. It looks like we're not going to be doing a giveaway today. Got to get the likes up if you guys want a giveaway. Long and strong, says Miss K. Let's see. Let's hit the like button. What up, Summer? What's going on? Summer said, Hun Hun. What up, Hun Hun? We about to catch this banger right here, boys. About to catch a banger trade. You doing hun? What? I don't know. I think we about to catch a long right here. Think we about to catch a long. I don't know. We are inside of this 15-minute fair value gap right here. I think it just goes up though, probably. You're new and want to learn trading? Let's do it. Let's learn it up. If this inverse is right here, it might take it long. Long and strong, buddy. Yo, what up, Omari? How's it going? What up, what up?
Podcast editing is so frustrating. That's why Riverside makes editing super simple and fast.
What up, what up? Good morning, Carlos. Subhold said, what's your strategy? I trade IFEGs, inversion fair value gaps. Liquidity and fair value gaps and inversion fair value gaps. News today? Yeah, 8:30 in an hour. News in an hour. Yep, giveaway if we hit the like button. Giveaway if you hit the like button. You trade ICT too. How can you become consistently profitable? Most of the time you make money, but one day you lose all your profits. Limit yourself to one trade per day. if you struggle over trading. There she goes. I told you she was gonna pump. Pumping. Pumping up, dudes. P account, what is your suggestion to trade 30% consistency? What do you mean? How much you should make? I think you should make on a PA account 50, if it's a 50K, like $200 to $500 a day is good. We got no subs today, man. I'm listening for the fart sound. I ain't heard it yet. If you're just lurking around, hit the sub button for me. Hit the sub button. If you pick up any prop firm accounts, use code Slade. I surely appreciate it. Surely appreciate it. Feel so definitely long waiting on some pullback. That's what I'm waiting on too, man. I wanted the pullback, sweep some liquidity, get in long. Sweep some liquidity. Liquidities. Sweep some liquidities. Dude, I think I'm shadow banned now on YouTube. I think after we did the AI. Oh. Dang it, I was talking. I barely heard it. Yo, thanks for the sub. Thanks for the sub, Omar. Thanks for the sub, Don C. Appreciate it. Did you guys hear the sounds? Yeah, we farted it up. I added a little sci-fi thing to it at the end. All right, let's see if we can get the pullback here. I bet you the indicator's about to call out a short. Yeah, I'll take this short with the indicator. Paper trade. Let's see if it works. See if the indicator's gonna get it. We'll follow the indicator here. It says go to break even down here. And TP2 right there. We'll trust the indicator. For the views, the indicator called out a short. Let's see if it plays out. Not going to this time, buddy. It's long and strong. It graded it an A. So let's see if it plays out. It says put the stop loss up here. You're in long or short? Phil. This is the IFEG indicator. On Project X, the FEG ain't even there. What up, Harsh? What's up, Joe Quinn? Got the indicator calling out an inversion here. Dude, there's so... The volume the past couple days has been so low. I guess it's just the December volume. It's just so low. Please explain liquidity concept. So basically liquidity's highs and lows. Above highs and lows, that's where liquidity rests. And yo, thanks for the sub, Valerie. Liquidity is basically just highs and lows, and price is always targeting some highs or lows. Just have to figure out which one it's targeting. Here we go. Can we drop it down? About to be at the break even. Break even's right here. Can it get there? London was brutal for European futures. We went nowhere and stuck inside 15-minute orb range, so low volume. Yeah, it's been low, so low volume. It's really tough to trade, guys. So if you're struggling, don't worry. It's not always. It's been tough. The volume has been so low lately. Dude, is this indicator gonna lose? I'm long biased here, but the indicator called out a short and it was ranked an A, so I took it. Let's see if it's gonna lose or not. Let's see if the indicator is gonna lose an A-rated setup. Looks like it. What up, Presage Official? I really haven't even been using the indicator lately. They have added a bunch of new features though. I bet you if you added require volume influx, it wouldn't have called that one out. Which that might be a good thing to add, actually. Yo, thanks for the sub, Raul. Yeah, if you require volume, it doesn't. markets have been tough to trade lately, honestly. Anybody struggling in these choppy, low volume markets? Raul using inversion fair value gaps. What up, Rich J? How's it going? Now, if we inverse this one here, I think this one would be good. If we inverse this fair value gap. You drive the struggle bus? Uh-oh. Okay, it says there's the break even. Oh, it got hit break even. Yep, been no bueno, man. Took some quick sniping hits past few days on NQ. You gotta do it. You gotta do it lately. Base hits are the only thing you can do the past few days. Market's so choppy, low volume. You gotta just go for base hits lately. That's why I do this morning. There's a TP1. Okay, good. Indicator's not broken. I thought the indicator was broken for a minute. It called out an A setup, and I thought I was gonna lose. It's not broken, boys. It still works. It still works. All right. Now might be the time to look for some long setups. If we can make an, if it's just chopping around right here. Yo, hit the sub button. Hit the sub button. Harshal said, which strategy are you using? Inversion fair value gaps. I think I already read that one, though. Let's go. Hit the like button so we can do a giveaway. Hit the like button. Like it up. Like it up. Join the free Discord. Join the free Discord. Let's hang out. We're always having a good time chatting it up in there. I just want to talk to everybody, dude. Like, literally. I just want to talk to everybody, see how their day's going and stuff. Share strategies in there and stuff. Join the free Discord so we can share strategies throughout the day. Share setups and stuff. Can you elaborate it? Yeah, so basically, I look for price to sweep some form of liquidity. Like here, we came up, swept this high right here, whipped out the highs. Yo, thanks for the sub, Manoj. We swept the highs right here, and then we got a fair value gap. So it's when the first and third candles wicks don't touch, it leaves a gap in between. And basically how these are supposed to react is it's supposed to come down, tap this, and continue, okay? But when it gets inverted, so when it closes below, that means it's not working. And that means it should technically continue in the direction that it closed. It invalidated the fair value gap. So then when it gets invalidated, that's when I enter the trade. Dude, the markets have been so slow lately. The markets have been so slow. Like, let's see. I bet the 4-hour time frame looks so. Dude, look at the 4-hour time frame. Look at all of these wicks. That tells you all you need to know about the markets lately. Look at this crap, dude. This is so crap. Look at the 4-hour, dude. That is so nasty. That's so nasty. Hopefully the news today pops something out of here. Bro, what about resistance and support? It's good, man. I like support and resistance. So what time does London open? 3 o'clock a.m. Eastern is when I trade it. 3 o'clock a.m. Eastern time. Yeah, dude, I like support and resistance. Like, yo, thanks for the sub, Bubblehead. Appreciate it. Like this right here. A previous resistance. Now it's turning into support. Nice and simple right here. It was previously a resistance. Came down, tapped it, bounced up. Came down, tapped it again right here. Bounced up. Support resistance works. Any strategy really works. Just got to stick to it. Yo, thanks for the sub. Profit trade? Bro, profit trade's been gone, dude. Profit trade. Yo, thanks for the sub. Profit trade's been gone. They've been gone. We're inside of this here, just ranging back and forth right now. So what is your strategy? I like inversion fair value gaps. I use liquidity and fair value gaps and some support and resistance. Like lately, there hasn't been many fair value gaps actually on the higher time frames. Dropping it down here. Look, this is how fair value gap's supposed to work here. So you see, we had this fair value gap. Had this fair value gap right here. It came in and rejected down from it. Yo, thanks for the sub, Vet. Let's go. Yo, thanks for the sub. Hit the like button so we can do a giveaway. Thanks for the sub. Thanks for the sub. Create something. How much time since you started day trading? I started in 2018. 2018 is when I first started pushing the button. How long has everybody in here been trading? What up, Starboy? What's going on? What up, Narquil? Short, aiming for 610 on NQ. Let's see. Frank's been trading 1 year. Let's go. Light Skin Lee said 7 months, 1 payout. Let's go, dude. What prop firm did you get the payout on? Devin said end of 2024. Let's go. Keep grinding, Devin. You got it, bro. You're so, that's no time, bro. It's no time. Chef Trades is 3 years now. What up, Sad MOSC? Saddam. Yo, thanks for the sub. Capital News. Thanks for the sub, Rasta Man. Let's go. Let's go. Par said, do you think a beginner can be profitable with your strategy within first month after having a practice for 6 months in paper trading? Possibly. It's different for everybody. Some people it's going to take longer. Some people pick it up pretty quickly. It's different for everybody. So look, we inverted this fair value gap, came up, took out this high right here. See if we continue up now. Got the previous day high up here. We already took it out. See if we continue back up there. We've got a fair value gap right here. Hit the like button for a giveaway. Hit the like button. All right, guys, join the Discord. We're going to do a giveaway. We got 69 likes. Hit it up. I want to get to 80 likes. Hit the like button. Let's get to 80 likes. Join the Discord. We're getting ready to do the giveaway. Type in the giveaway channel in the Discord. It's free to join. Do you wait for the retest when taking a trade with the inversion fair value gap? Not usually, but sometimes. If it closes far away, sometimes I'll wait for the retest depending on how big my stop loss will have to be. But most of the time, I just enter when it inverses. All right, let's see it. Join up in the Discord. Yo, thanks for the sub. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do the giveaway. Type it up. Type it up. Let me know you're in here. Let's see it. Here we go. We got Bayou, Miss K, Faithful Trader, Void, Mark the Shark, Caveman, Joe Savarit, Vit, Capital Jim, Amber, TJP, Nathanator, Haven Trades, Stefan. Let's go. It's giveaway time. It's giveaway time. I love giving away accounts. MG Trades, we got Says, we got Lee. You got to be subbed. You got to be subbed to the channel. Hit the sub button. Godzilla, ZZ Say So. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Do you trade gold? Sometimes. Does it work on crypto? Yep. What up? All right, you got 2 minutes to enter the giveaway. 2 minutes to enter the giveaway here. Yes, sir. Premiums. Premiums get the extra entries. Premium members get extra entries. Let's go. Let's go. No, we got to take care of the premium group. Pink Tuxedo said rise and grind. Oh, yeah. Let's go, Tony. Tony's in the giveaway. Rahud, you got to join the Discord and type in the giveaways channel. And then it'll be a funded account. Win a funded account. All right, let's run. If you ain't in, you better hurry. I'm grabbing the names. I'm grabbing the names. Not a lot of entries today. You got a good chance. Good chance of winning. Yo, thanks for the sub. Let's go, USMC in there. Give you about 15 more seconds to enter. If you're not in, you got about 15 more seconds. All right, is everybody in? Is everybody in? We ready to run it? Yeah, project. The open is way more reliable. Is way better for the inversion trades. A lot more volume, so it's better. All right, here we go. Let's run it. Here we go. Copy that. Go over here to the duck race. Let's get it. Let's get it. And now let's grab the premium members. USMC. Raven. Joe Savert. OQ. We got Vit, Void, Vit and Void. Let's go. All right, let's get it. Here we go. I'm gonna put 3 minutes on the clock here. And let's run the giveaway. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win the funded account? Yo, thanks for the sub. Got some cool ducks here. Mark the Shark starting out in the lead here. We got OQ quickly taking the lead. Stefan coming up. Who's gonna win? Godzilla's got the Trump duck. Frank pulling up with the Viking helmet coming up. If you type 1, it gives you a speed boost, gives your duck a speed boost. Look at Void back here with his English duck. What's he wearing back there? What's Void wearing? What's Void wearing back there? Nathanator pulling up to take the lead. Vit with the space helmet on. You can join the Discord for the giveaways. We do them in the mornings if we get enough likes on the streams. We stream every morning, 7 a.m. Be here or be square. Who's gonna win it, guys? It's a close race right now. We got Lee coming up with the grandma duck. Those little flippers still work on that grandma duck. Yo, thanks for the sub, Crevo. It's too late right now to enter, but we'll do them tomorrow. Look at Vit right here. Vit with a dang vampire duck. Got the red eyes and the tooth. SP King trying to take the lead. OQ's got it right now. Both of OQ's ducks in the lead. Holy. Vit coming up from behind. Who's gonna win? Somebody's gonna come from behind in the last 10 seconds and win it. It always happens. USMC pulling up. If you're in the lead now, you might not be in the lead at the end. Hate to say it, but the last 10 seconds, someone always comes from behind and wins. Let's see, we got 28 seconds left. OQ's in the lead right now. Void with a bumblebee duck up there close to the lead. We got Haven Trades. Pink Tuxedo pulling up. Vit with a vampire duck. Vampires don't get tired, man. Here we go. Final 10 seconds. Final 10 seconds. We got Miss K pulling up from the behind. Miss K might win it here. Is it going to be Miss K? Miss K wins it. Let's go. Miss K wins the duck race. Let's go, dude. Miss K, always here, always supporting. Love to see that. Let's go. Just DM'd you. We'll get that account over. All right, look at this, man. Came up, tapped into this fair value gap up here, and dumped it right back down. See that? That's why I marked it out. NQ came up, tapped into this fair value gap, and dumped it right back down. All right, guys. Thank you guys for hanging out, having a good time. Be back here in the morning at 7 a.m. If we get enough likes on the stream, we'll do another giveaway. We're here every morning. I got to roll, though. Hope everybody has a good day. Trade safe. Let's share setups in the Discord throughout the day. If you see something good looking, hey, share it out. Don't hold those good setups from the rest of us. If you see something good, let us know in the Discord. All right, guys. Have a good day. See ya.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Every grade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick, red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick-tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals. Trades by Slade on the screen. Money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down. Go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Go gangster touching high.